Hello YouTube, welcome back. This is Learn Like Pro and I am Sanjana. So in this video, I am going to show you how to schedule mails on Gmail to send later, that is on a particular date and time. So here I will show you two methods to schedule emails on Gmail. One is using Email Scheduler, which is a Google add-on, and two is using Boomerang, a Google Chrome extension, and this is exclusive for Google Chrome browser. So now let's see how to do this using Email Scheduler. Email Scheduler is a Google add-on for Google Spreadsheets. It allows you to write emails and auto send them on a particular date and time. So here you don't need any third-party applications or extensions, and also this is a very simple and efficient way to schedule emails. So now let's see the procedure to do this. First of all, go to your Google and start searching for Email Scheduler. Email Scheduler, and if you scroll down, you can see the first link here, Email Scheduler Google Sheets add-on for Chrome. Just click on that. Just click on this add symbol. This is a free add-on. Just click on that. It will ask you to log in with your account. Log in with your account. I am using mine. And you can see it got installed. Now put this aside, go to your Gmail, and now we'll compose the mail which we want to send later. So I'll give the to address and the subject. For example, I want to send some birthday wishes. So remember, the subject is compulsory when you are trying to send the emails later. So definitely give your subject and the text. And once after you finish composing the mail, do not click send. Instead, just save and close the mail. See, you can see that the mail will be saved and closed. So just click on this close button and go to your drafts. And you can see that the mail you just composed now is saved as a draft. See, the subject and the content is shown up here. Okay, so it is saved as a draft. Now what will I do is I'll go to my spreadsheets. So how will I go to my spreadsheets is just click on this menu symbol here and go to drive. In the drive, click on my drive and you can find Google Sheets over here. Just click on Google Sheets, or I'll directly provide this link in the description below the video, and you can directly open the spreadsheets through that link. So the spreadsheet got opened. Just click on this add-ons over here and you can see Email Scheduler option has come up here. Go to Email Scheduler, click on Configure. You can see it is working, fetching the Gmail drafts, and you can see Email Scheduler pop-up has come up here. And now what we have to do is, you can see select a Gmail draft drop down over here. Just click on that and you can see that all your drafts are shown as a drop down here. So this is the one we just now composed. You can see the subject coming over here and the to address we have specified. Just click on that. So I am selecting that mail we have composed now and click on schedule. Now it will ask you to select the date and time, at which date and time you want to deliver this particular message. So I am selecting some date, for example 15 March, and I am selecting the time like some 8:30 a.m. So I want this mail to be delivered on 15 March 8:30 a.m. and I'll click on save schedule, and you can see a column got added here. This happy birthday mail got scheduled for this particular date and time to that particular person. And also you can edit the schedule. You can modify the date and time again by clicking on edit schedule, or otherwise if you don't want this or you have done a mistake, you can unschedule that by clicking on unschedule. By clicking on unschedule, see, you can see that the email is no longer scheduled. One thing you have to remember here is that the mails are by default scheduled in the time zone of your browser, and the same you can see it here, messages are scheduled in Asia Calcutta time zone. So friends, this is a way of scheduling emails using Email Scheduler. And now let's see the second method, that is using Boomerang. Boomerang is a Chrome extension and you have to add it to the Chrome browser in order to use this. To do this, open your Chrome browser and click here, 3 dots, go to More Tools and then Extensions. Click on Get More Extensions and here search for Boomerang. Boomerang. And here comes the extension Boomerang for Gmail. See the symbol here. So this is the extension we want to add to Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and it got added. You can see it got attached here. Keep this aside and just go to your Gmail now and log into your account. And once you log into your Gmail account, you can see some extra things added over here and all in your mail. Now start composing the mail which you want to send later. We'll start composing the mail and you can see some extra options got added here, like send later, in 2 days, if no reply, etc. What I'll do is I'll type the content. And once I'm done, I'll click on Send Later. Send Later. So a pop-up comes up. It is asking you send message in 1 hour or 2 hours or tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon or in 2 days, in 1 week, etc. and all. You can select any one of them, or otherwise if you want to specify a particular date which is not in them, you can specify that here. You can change the date. For example, I want to send it on 15th of March and I want to send it at 7 a.m. So Thursday 15th March and 7 a.m. and I'll click on confirm. Before that, you can see an extra option here, schedule recurring message, and this is useful when you want to send the same message after every particular period of time. For example, if I want to send a good morning message every day to some particular persons, or I want to send to my team to update their work status every week, then I can use this recurring message. So now I don't want this recurring message, I just want to send the birthday wishes for this particular date. So I'll click on confirm and you can see it is scheduling the message. And now you can see the message will be sent on Thursday. Okay. And now where are the messages you got scheduled? Don't worry, they are here. Just see here, Boomerang outbox, return, etc. Just click on this outbox and you can see this is the one you have just scheduled now. So click on that and you can see some options have come up here: send now, don't send, reschedule, or edit message. So if you want to make any changes to the particular message, you can make the changes by clicking on edit message. See, a window got opened and you can modify the message here. For example, I'm adding some extra icons and all, and I'll click on save message. And you can see the message got updated here. And similarly, you can reschedule, that is, you can change the particular date and time by clicking on reschedule. Or if you want to send the message immediately now, you can click on send now, and you don't want this message to send at all, you can click on don't send. So that's it, friends. This is how to schedule mails on Gmail using Boomerang, using which you can schedule emails on Gmail. Thank you, friends. If you find the video useful, please like it or share it, and feel free to express your doubts by commenting in the comment section below the video. And for more such useful videos, please subscribe to our channel Learn Like Pro. Thank you.